John Martell from Snap-on discusses the most revolutionary drop prevention program for tools in the industry and how engineered attachment points focus on maintaining or enhancing tool functionality.
So one of several examples of how our attachment points differ from some others that are available is that on the screwdriver we have a stainless steel rotating tab, and that allows the screwdriver to be used without having the lanyard bind up as you rotate the screwdriver. Now some that are available create attachment point here, like on the crown, you have a device that gets screwed onto the crown of the screwdriver. Well, that limits the functionality of the screwdriver and doesn't allow you to use the handle like it was intended to be used. So when you bear down, you're not able to do that anymore. And so with ours, as you can see, you still have full functionality of the screwdriver. Another example of how our engineered attachment points are different is our combination wrenches, or any wrench for that matter. We created a safety coil that allows the attachment point to slide out of the way as the wrench is being used. So if I need to choke up on the wrench, I can do that and slide the attachment point out of the way. If I need to move back on the wrench to get full leverage, I can do that and slide the attachment point out of the way. These are very strong. They're made of stainless steel, so they're not corrosive and are very durable. And there's no possible way for these to be pulled off. We drop test all of our products to make sure that they are tested and certified as part of our system, and we drop test each item. The final example that I have of the engineered attachment points, in this case we actually sort of enhance the use of the tool in our tethered version. And what I mean by that is every pipe wrench has a hang hole forged into it when they're made. And so it's easy to either attach to that hole or create a secondary attachment point so that as I'm using the tool and it drops, I'm able to stop that drop. But we have to think through the way that the tool is constructed and used when we're working at height. And that's what I mean by sort of enhance the functionality. On a pipe wrench, I can keep it from dropping by creating an attachment point here. But if I'm not careful, I can have an operator unscrew the head of the pipe wrench, and then that would become a dropped object. So in the Tools at Height program, we pin the tang of the pipe wrench to prevent that from being separated from the main body of the tool.
For more information on this revolutionary program, contact your Snap-on Industrial Brands representative or call 1-800-446-7404.